How to unpin my AI on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can unpin my AI on Snapchat, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you would like to unpin my AI on Snapchat, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat application here. And if you come to the chat page, Snapchat rolled out a new chat assistant for us known as My AI, right? Now, if we want to remove My AI, this option was not there previously, but now we can actually remove. Just make sure your Snapchat app is basically updated to the latest version, by the way. Then once you've done that, when you long press on My AI chat, then you can see chats and notification settings. Then you can choose to clear from your chat feed. So you can basically clear My AI from your chat feed by tapping on clear, then tapping the clear option over here. This way you can clear chat feed and then unpin My AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.